We are at the sawmill to get firewood for cooking. I think there's a bit of an argument that someone else has already bought the wood. But I don't know, so let's see how it's going to play out over here. Mama, Mo give me 4. I beg, Mama, I beg. You know, so we just see new start business, so we can't know us. All right.
When you pack them,
And a cash. All right. Thank you very much, ma. Oh yeah, come go the packer. Firewood is not so scarce. Then, like 10 years ago, 10-15 years ago, when I used to go to the sawmill to get firewood for my mom, you know, we used to pick it. When they are sawing the wood, we'll start picking. It's not like this now. Firewood is hot cake. If you see the firewood now that I'm pricing for 4,000, I told her 3,000. She said no, that the wood is many. We need it now. What to do? Because getting gas to cook all the food at home, to cook every meal, is not easy. So we have to assist with firewood also, so that the gas will also stay for long. We want to carry the wood now. See the wood we got for such amounts. We're going to need to break some. Okay, guys. You get rope. Here you want to see rope. We go break them so that it go fit. Hey,